Good evening, everyone. A historic moment as Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson becomes Supreme Court Justice Jackson.
That's right. Black women here and around the country celebrated during today's swearing ceremony at the U.S. Supreme Court. It followed a tense and contentious confirmation process that had many gritting their teeth, yelling at the TV screen, and even praying. But tonight, Monroe County Family Court Judge Fatima is among those rejoicing.
It shows not only my children, but it shows all other children that they belong in any space.
In 2018, Fatima O'Reed, a mom of 5, became the first African-American female judge elected to the Monroe County Family Court. Just like Justice Jackson's family today, Judge Reed's husband beamed in 2019 as she took the oath of office.
It's really important for the trust in our legal system to know that our legal system does mirror the community that we live in.
When I first met Judge Reed, it was during the contentious Senate confirmation hearings for then federal Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson.
I was not surprised.
A Harvard grad, Jackson served 8 years as a federal trial court judge, a public defender, and a clerk for Justice Stephen Breyer, whom she replaced on the high court. But for some, that was not enough. Reed says she can relate. Although hers is an elected position, she still encountered those who insinuated or outright said she wasn't the right fit.
My qualifications would be questioned, which sometimes I was surprised by, because not only did I have private practice experience, I worked for governments, and I worked as an administrator at a large school district.
Since taking office, Reed has worked as a bridge between the courtroom and the community. She has no doubt, she says, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson will serve with distinction and represent the best of what America should embody.
It's about being able to bring a different perspective to the bench.
And Judge Reed also serves as the acting Supreme Court Justice for this region, as well as the coordinating judge for diversity, equity, and inclusion for all 8 counties in New York's 7th District. A formal investiture for Justice Brown Jackson will take place in the fall.